Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with T. We are back with some new updates in dancehall entertainment news. Shorty clapped back at claims made by Vybz Kartel about cheating on him while he was in prison. Also, JLP urges SSL to pay back Bolt and others. Also, we have a health scare for Jada Kingdom. So you will definitely need to watch the full video to get all the tea. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe for the latest updates, and I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. So if you guys remember, I think it was 2 days ago, Keisha Kira, which is Gucci Mane's wife, as you can see in the previous video, she came here to Jamaica and they had an interview, and Vybz Kartel was asked the question, who cheated on you in prison? Vybz Kartel responded, well, he was being sarcastic and say, bring up the whole bun and cheese, and then Keisha here asked if I shot and in zippy mode, and indications, body language. Obviously, we all knew who it was. So now, Shorty made a few posts and clapped back at what Vybz Kartel said. Check this out.
Y'all get upset, them sick of me. I beg God now make you get rid of me. And not everybody get my energy.
I don't know who she is off, but she also made a post that says, my name must taste good because it's always in your mouth. Continue to eat. And then a laughing emoji. Shut it easy. Also made another post say, if you keep your mouth shut, you will stay out of trouble. Proverbs 21 verse 23. And the closed mouth. Remember, the Kartel did do this on interview to do the whole zipping thing. But the maturity shades off for one another. Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. Now, the other day, Jada Kingdom's boyfriend, Pardi Fontaine, he had posted up something on his Instagram story. And she also posted something, and I'm like, what is going on? And we all thought it was just, like the regular promotion. But Jada Kingdom said, find somebody else. And Partisan responded saying, already did. So now, I guess it's safe to say months later, she come up with a song now named Somebody Else. So she previewed the song on Instagram.
I got my own somebody else, and get my own somebody else.
Yeah, so that was the preview of the song. People are speculating that she and Partisan are broken up. Even in the comments right here, somebody said, don't tell me Twinkle and Pardi are done. But somebody else had left this mean comment saying, I thought you were on a live and that this was the announcement of it with the skeleton emoji. This is not something to be funny about. Jamaicans are so insensitive about mental health. I just hope that she's okay mentally, because we always hear say celebrity them overdose in all sort of things, and we just hope that she good. Somebody check on her if anybody know her. Personally, check on Jada. Hope she good. What do you guys think about that in the comment section? Usain Bolt, Jamaican athlete, is shocked and disappointed in the lack of updates on his money. The governing Jamaica Labour Party is urging the properties and accountable officers at Fraud Hit Stocks and Securities, this is SSL, to ensure that Jamaicans, including Sprint legend Bolt, are restored with funds they invested within the company's good faith. The party is also rejecting what it described as barefaced lies being told by the PNP, who seeks to connect the Prime Minister Andrew Holness and the government in wrongdoing at SSL. Now, last month, however, the JLP says they are not satisfied with the pace of, how the payback is going. They're urging the owners of SSL to do right by Bolt and others who have not recouped their funds, which were allegedly fleeced by at least one employee of the invested company, who is now before the courts. You know, we really want Bolt to get back in high spirits. You can look at him and see that he's sad. It's really disappointing. Hope they get him money for true. Alright, we'll go over a little bit in our TikTok world. Jerry meet Pretty Don, but our alter ego is Ling Ling, which is just up as a girl. So here, Jerry, I don't want to chat about gang boss, and to my surprise, she said yes. But you guys check this out.
Yeah.
So Ling Ling them. Ling Ling want you.
Hey, Jerry, what some pussy for you?
Are the man that about gaggy bags?
No, Jesus.
Me not gaggy the bags, yes?
No, you can't gaggy my bags. I'm still that's the picnic. You know, me tell you something. I take my mind and thoughts and this half a foundation. I want master me have, you know. I want the glory.
Ling Ling,
Only deal in the proper because
thing.
if you want to fuck, everything alright. But we ain't a fornication.
So I
Me not gonna make you find it. I'm gonna suck your own off.
It's a sharp woman for wood.
Fuck
You
me.
suck it off and boom it off.
No. Hold on. We don't dictate them things to me. I have one master, and he's the power and the glory. And him son named Jesus. Him son named Jesus. If they are deal with fucking and make you bad, and them something fine. But me no want nobody to come pre. Send a man Gomorrah to me, you know. And keep that food and the friend them. Sell who fuck.
She not selling a fuck myself on her front.
Yeah, everything alright, where you front? Front fat. Yeah, kini. Front fat. The front fat.
My
Yeah,
friend
good
got
shit.
the screen and carry on with yourself. What
Yeah,
you
you
doing?
scream. Hey.
Don't get me dark and disgusting out here now. Don't get me dark and disgusting.
I don't what, yeah. The deal with decency and thing.
Here, Jerry, I talk about you want to deal with decency and thing. I might feel boss like 24/7. That no badass brawling. Anyway, check out the rest of the video.
Splitting gritty. Everything Chris. Like you say now, boom, swell up and big, wide near. Cause you love it. I eat
So
when
when
you
you
come
say
in.
you would have wine in it?
Then I wear more up on that girl. I wear my
Alright,
girl.
my side, everybody jump a rose to me there.
Alright, fine.
So what I Jerry
Stop.
like you breast them?
Yeah, the breast them alright. You nibble upon them like mice, pretty nibbling on breasts and French kissing.
Hey!
Yeah, and French kissing. No, I love French kissing, you know.
Yeah, so how deep your life for going at all? I want to know. My side, you should double now?
The last guy I know that by Big Hood is like the cocky, done the home, bend the spine. Doctor said if him operate panache, he may not walk again. I don't want to go in the home enough. Because I go up and down. God make firm, you know.
You the double! What the
That me not worry about up and down and moving. Because you make the things move up and down in here. Fine? Up, down. But me not want about 3 inches.
If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys watching the video to the end. And if it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.